Project management is the art of bringing an idea to life. It is the process of planning, organizing, and managing resources to achieve a specific goal. This goal is usually a unique product, service, or result. Think of it as a journey from a starting point, the initial idea, to a destination, the successful completion of the project. Projects are temporary endeavors, meaning they have a defined beginning and end. This sets them apart from ongoing operations, which are continuous and repetitive. Building a house, developing a new software application, or launching a marketing campaign are all examples of projects. Each requires a structured approach to ensure successful completion. Project management provides that structure. It equips you with the framework and tools necessary to navigate the complexities of a project. From defining clear objectives to managing budgets and timelines, project management principles guide every step of the journey. It's about coordinating efforts, mitigating risks, and ensuring that everyone involved is working towards the same goal. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your journey, understanding the fundamentals of project management is crucial. It empowers you to take control, make informed decisions, and ultimately deliver successful outcomes. In project management, structure is key. A haphazard approach often leads to chaos and failure. Structured approaches provide a framework for planning, executing, and controlling the project. This framework helps manage complexity and ensures that all aspects of the project are addressed systematically. One such approach is the project lifecycle, which divides the project into distinct phases. Each phase has specific objectives, deliverables, and milestones. This phased approach allows for better control and monitoring of progress. It also provides opportunities for review and adjustments along the way. Another important aspect of a structured approach is the development of a detailed project plan. This plan outlines the project scope, timeline, budget, resources, and communication strategies. It acts as a roadmap for the entire project, guiding the team towards the desired outcome. By adopting a structured approach, project managers can minimize risks, improve efficiency, and increase the likelihood of success. It brings order to the chaos, enabling teams to work together effectively towards a common goal. Effective communication is the lifeblood of any successful project. It is the glue that holds the team together, ensuring everyone is on the same page and working towards the same objectives. Clear, concise, and timely communication is crucial for fostering collaboration, resolving issues, and maintaining momentum. Project managers must establish effective communication channels to facilitate the flow of information. This includes regular team meetings, status reports, and documentation. Utilizing tools like project management software can streamline communication and ensure transparency. Active listening is equally important. Project managers must listen attentively to team members, stakeholders, and clients. This allows for a deeper understanding of concerns, ideas, and perspectives. It also fosters trust and builds stronger relationships. By prioritizing effective communication, project managers can prevent misunderstandings, resolve conflicts quickly, and create a positive and productive work environment. This ultimately contributes to the overall success of the project. Every project involves a degree of uncertainty. Unexpected events, changing requirements, or unforeseen challenges can derail even the most well-planned projects. Risk management is the process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to these potential threats. Project managers must proactively identify potential risks throughout the project life cycle. This involves brainstorming, reviewing historical data, and consulting with experts. Once identified, risks need to be analyzed based on their likelihood and potential impact. After analyzing the risks, project managers develop strategies to mitigate or manage them. This could involve contingency planning, risk avoidance, or risk transfer. The goal is to minimize the negative impact of risks on the project objectives. Effective risk management is crucial for project success. It allows project managers to anticipate and address potential problems before they escalate. By proactively managing risks, projects can stay on track and deliver the desired outcomes. Resources are the lifeblood of any project. They include people, materials, equipment, and budget. Effective resource management involves planning, allocating, and utilizing these resources optimally to achieve project goals. Project managers must carefully plan and allocate resources based on project needs and constraints. This involves identifying the required skills, materials, and budget for each project phase. It also requires creating a resource allocation plan that outlines the availability and utilization of resources over time. Monitoring resource usage throughout the project is crucial. This allows project managers to track actual versus planned resource consumption and make necessary adjustments. It also helps identify potential shortages or over-allocation of resources. By effectively managing resources, project managers can maximize output with limited input. This ensures that the project stays within budget and is completed on time, ultimately contributing to project success. Project management principles find application in a wide range of industries and sectors. From construction and software development to healthcare and marketing, project management methodologies are used to bring complex projects to fruition. Examining real-world case studies provides valuable insights into the practical application of these principles. One such case study involves the construction of a major bridge. The project required meticulous planning and coordination of various teams, including engineers, architects, construction workers, and government agencies. By implementing a structured project management approach, the project was completed on time and within budget, despite its complexity and scale. Another case study highlights the use of project management in software development. A technology company used agile project management methodologies to develop a new mobile application. This iterative approach allowed for flexibility and adaptation to changing customer needs, resulting in a successful product launch. These case studies demonstrate the versatility and effectiveness of project management principles in diverse contexts. By examining real-world examples, aspiring project managers can gain a deeper understanding of how these methodologies translate into tangible results. Project managers have a variety of tools and techniques at their disposal to streamline processes and enhance project outcomes. Project management software has become indispensable for managing complex projects, offering features like task management, scheduling, resource allocation, and collaboration tools. Popular project management software includes platforms like Asana, Trello, and Microsoft Project. These tools allow for centralized project planning, communication, and tracking. They provide a visual representation of project progress, enabling project managers to monitor timelines, budgets, and resource utilization effectively. In addition to software, project managers utilize various techniques like Gantt charts, critical path analysis, and earned value management. Gantt charts provide a visual timeline of tasks and dependencies, facilitating scheduling and progress tracking. Critical path analysis identifies the sequence of critical tasks that determine the project duration, allowing for focused attention on crucial activities. By leveraging these tools and techniques, project managers can optimize project workflows, enhance communication, and make data-driven decisions. They empower project teams to work smarter, not harder, ultimately leading to more successful project outcomes. The field of project management is constantly evolving, with industry experts sharing their knowledge and best practices. Learning from these seasoned professionals provides valuable insights and practical tips for aspiring project managers. Experts emphasize the importance of clear communication, stakeholder management, and adaptability in the face of changing circumstances. They highlight the need for strong leadership skills, the ability to motivate teams, and the importance of building trust and rapport. Industry leaders also advocate for continuous learning and professional development. Staying up to date with the latest methodologies, tools, and trends is crucial for success in the ever-changing world of project management. By seeking out the wisdom of industry experts, aspiring project managers can gain a competitive edge. Their insights provide practical guidance, inspire new approaches, and contribute to the development of a well-rounded project management skill set. Project management is not a destination, but a journey of continuous learning and development. The field is constantly evolving, with new methodologies, technologies, and best practices emerging regularly. Embracing a growth mindset and seeking opportunities for professional development is crucial for staying ahead of the curve. Attending industry conferences, workshops, and webinars provides valuable opportunities for learning and networking. Pursuing professional certifications, such as the Project Management Professional (PMP) certification, demonstrates a commitment to excellence and enhances credibility. Reflecting on past projects, both successes and failures, is another valuable practice. Identifying areas for improvement and implementing lessons learned fosters continuous growth and development as a project manager. By embracing continuous development, project managers can refine their skills, adapt to new challenges, and contribute to the advancement of the field. Project management is an essential skill set in today's fast-paced and complex world. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your journey, understanding the fundamentals of project management is crucial for success. From structured approaches and communication to risk management and resource allocation, these principles provide the framework for bringing ideas to life. Embrace the power of real-world applications, explore the diverse tools and techniques available, and learn from the insights of industry experts. Remember that project management is a journey of continuous learning and development. Stay curious, seek out new knowledge, and refine your skills to become a master of your craft. As you embark on your path to project management mastery, remember that success lies in the details. Meticulous planning, clear communication, effective risk mitigation, and optimal resource utilization are the cornerstones of successful project execution. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and strive for excellence in every endeavor.